Hi students, coming to the next topic in database management system is SQL Joins. So SQL Joins is nothing but structured query language joins. Joining means you are combining two or more tables with clauses. So let us see what is this SQL join. So a join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables. So if you take two or more tables, in the tables you have to combine the rows by using the join clause. Two or more tables based on related column between them. So that is joins. So SQL joins are classified into two types. SQL joins are classified into equi-join, non-equi-join. So equi-join is named saying that equal, when there is a equality between two tables, two or more tables, then you call it as equi-join. Non-equi-join means if there is no equal, means this complete table which is not equal. So that is non-equi-join. Let us see one by one. So what is it? SQL equi-join. SQL equi-join. So it is a simple SQL join. It is a simple SQL join condition, simple SQL join condition, which uses the equal sign as comparison operator. So when you are using with the help of the SQL query, you will call the rows in different tables. So this equi-join, by using the equal sign comparison operator, we will select the equal rows that are present in two or more tables. So this is equi-join. So again, this equi-join divided into two types: SQL outer join, SQL inner join. So don't be confused. SQL join are classified into two types: equi-join and non-equi-join. Now coming to the equi-join again divided into SQL outer join and SQL inner join. Now let us see what is SQL inner join. All rows returned by SQL query satisfies the SQL join condition specified. That is the SQL inner join. All rows returned by SQL query satisfy the SQL join condition specified. If that condition is specified, those rows will be returned with the help of SQL query. So let us take an example. So this is an example. Here I am taking two tables. One is a product table and another is a product item table. So in the product table, you are having the product ID, product name, supplier name, unit prices. And coming to the ordered item table, order ID, product ID and total units. And then customers. So these are the fields that are present in the two tables. So this product ID is acting as a primary key here, and coming to this table, it is a foreign key. So that concept I already explained. So now I have to join these two tables by using equi-join. So now let us consider SQL inner join. So what is an inner join? So here all rows written by SQL query satisfy the SQL join condition specified. So what is that condition? Let me write the query for SQL inner join. Query. Select. So the name for ordered item tables I am taking as O dot order ID, comma, P dot product name, comma, P dot unit price. P is for product table, unit price, P dot supplier name, and O dot total units. So these fields I want from the two tables, order ID, product name, unit price, supplier name, total units. From which tables? From product P table and order item O table. So I have to specify the condition because this is SQL inner join, where O dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID. So I have to acquire, means I have to select those fields that are satisfy this condition. O dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID. So first what I have to be, which fields I have to select from both the tables? First O dot order ID. So this field, order ID, and next P dot product name. So P is coming to product table, P dot product name, next P dot unit price. So this is P is for product table, unit price, still which fields? P dot supplier name. So this is also the field which is present in product table, and O dot total units. So total units in ordered item tables, total units. So these are the fields that are selected in this table. Okay. So now I selected these fields from two tables, means I combine the fields that are present in the product table and ordered item tables. Only some fields I combine. But here one condition has to be satisfied, where O dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID. Okay. So means I have to select those items which are equal in both the tables. This product ID and this product ID should be equal. So here 104. Okay, you can accept 104, 102, 103 and 101. So except 100, these two product IDs are equal. So that table I have to be selected. So order ID is 5100, 5101, 5102, 5103. And what is the product name for this? So product ID 5100, the product ID is 104. 104 product name mobile. So mobile you have to write. 5101, the product ID is 102. 102 product name is refrigerator. Refrigerator. And 50102, the product ID is 103. 103 product name is iPod. 5103 product ID is 101. 101 product name is television. Television. Now coming to the unit prices. For mobile the unit price is 50. For refrigerator the unit price is 150. and for iPod the unit price is 75, and for television the unit price is 100. Now coming to the supplier's name. So mobile suppliers are Nokia, refrigerator suppliers are Samsung, iPod suppliers are Apple, and television suppliers are Onida. Now coming to the total units for this particular product ID. For 100, the total units, mobiles are 30, refrigerators 5, iPods 25, and televisions 10. So this is how to combine the two tables with the help of this equi-join. So with the help of based on the condition satisfied, we are selecting the fields between the two tables. So it is a relation between the two tables. Here all rows returned by SQL query satisfy the SQL join condition specified. So this is SQL inner join. So in the next video, I'll explain about SQL outer join. Thank you.